Hello. Welcome back. In our last videos, we learned what AI is, how AI works. Today, we'll learn about the types of AI in the easiest way possible. Don't worry, no difficult words. What are types of AI? Just like there are different types of vehicles, cars, bikes, and buses, there are also different types of AI. Scientists usually divide AI into three main types. Let's understand them one by one. Type 1. Narrow AI. The first type is narrow AI. This is the AI we use today. It is made to do one specific job. For example, ChatGPT answers questions. YouTube recommends videos. Google Maps finds the best route. Face Unlock recognizes your face. These systems are very good at their own task. But they cannot do everything like a human. Almost all AI we use today is narrow AI. Type 2. General AI. The second type is general AI. This AI does not exist yet. Scientists hope to build it in the future. General AI would be able to learn and perform many different tasks, just like a human. For example, it could study, write, solve problems, cook, and learn new skills without being specially programmed for each one. Right now, this type of AI is still an idea. Type 3. Super AI. The third type is super AI. This is an AI that would be smarter than humans in almost every way. Today, super AI does not exist. You may see it in movies or read about it in science fiction. Scientists discuss it, but it has not been created. Conclusion. Let's quickly review. Narrow AI exists today and does one specific job. General AI, a future idea that could do many tasks like a human. Super AI, a theoretical AI that would be smarter than humans. Now you know the three main types of AI. In the next video, we'll learn what is machine learning, in the easiest way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on AI Journey 2.